This Louis Vuitton Alma bag has seen better days, but today I'm gonna bring this bag to life by painting the vachetta leather. My name is JB from LB Monocrafts Designer Studio. Welcome back to our channel. If you want to see this gloomy bag shine again, stick around until the end. But before we dive into that, I've read your comments and some of you might have strong opinions on painting the vachetta leather. So I'm gonna try to answer, and hopefully by the end of the video, it will shed a light or give you another perspective as to why painting the vachetta might be the best option in restoration of your Louis Vuitton bags. Okay, first of all, let's discuss what type of leather is vachetta. Vachetta is a full-grained vegetable tan leather made from cowhides. It's a natural leather with almost no finish, in light pale beige color in the beginning, which will gradually darken over time. I believe majority of you are aware that patina or darkening of vachetta leather is a natural process due to external factors or oxidation process. This leather is typically untreated and reacts with the natural elements as it ages, causing the color to darken gradually. And if you're lucky, the patina develops evenly into a honey-like tone like this, which is just so gorgeous. However, that's not always the case. Different areas of the leather might experience different amounts of exposure to sunlight, stains, watermarks, and other factors. These can lead to uneven coloring, dark spots, or discoloration, making the patina less pretty as expected. Another common question is, what paint do you use and how do you mix it? So as I've said before, vachetta is a natural leather, so you can technically use almost any paint or dye, but for the best textured result, I highly recommend the acrylic leather paints. Our go-to brand is the Angelus. It is durable, flexible, and gives a really nice finish that still feels like leather once applied. Typically, you can start with the Angelus Vachetta color and add an equal amount of bright yellow mixed with a little bit of red or white. Basically, you just have to experiment with mixing until you get the exact tint that matches your bag's patina. Okay, now let's go ahead with the application process. Since vachetta leather is untreated, no additional surface preparation is needed. You can apply a very thin first coat of paint, which will act as a primer for the surface. The best technique for applying leather paint is to use multiple thin layers rather than one thick coat. This approach ensures a smooth, even finish while maintaining the leather's flexibility and durability. You can use a hair dryer to speed up the drying process between coats, but be sure to apply each subsequent layer thinly to avoid tackiness. Thick layers of paint can sit on top of the leather rather than bonding with it, making them prone to cracking or peeling over time. Thin layers dry faster and allow for better blending, reducing the risk of streaks, uneven patches, or buildup. So each thin layer bonds better to the leather, creating a stronger, more permanent finish. So take your time and avoid overloading your paintbrush. Just apply a light coat, letting each layer settle naturally without forcing too much paint at once. So once you're satisfied with the color, allow the paint to dry for 1 to 2 hours or even longer. So after the paint is fully dried, the next crucial step and the most important one is applying the finisher or paint sealer, which we will talk about shortly. So how long does the leather paint last? If the application is done properly and with a little extra care, the paint can last a long time. We've had painted vachetta leather for years, and as long as you avoid harsh chemicals or excessive rubbing, the paint should stay intact. Just be mindful to keep it clean, and occasionally you can touch up the areas that might experience a lot of friction or wear, just like the corners or the bottom parts of the bag. We have completed the application of paint on this Louis Vuitton Alma, and we are satisfied with the color. So now we'll go ahead with the application of finisher or paint sealer. And a lot of you is asking how to prevent the paint from looking too shiny. For a natural look, you can use an equal combination of high gloss acrylic finisher and a urethane clear coat satin finisher by Angelus and mix it all together. Make sure to apply thin and even layers using soft brush, sponge, or airbrush, avoiding streaks or buildup. Again, you can use your hair dryer to speed up the drying process of each layer before adding another. And then you can finish it with a light buffing for a smooth and durable seal. So there you have it. This Louis Vuitton Alma is now ready. Let me know in the comments what you think. Would you ever paint your vachetta leather, or do you prefer the natural, untouched look? We'd love to hear your thoughts. I hope this video gives you some insights. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell if you want to see more cool bag transformations. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.